Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a crafty I spend a great deal of my time scrolling on Pinterest, and recently on one of my regular creative wormholes I came across these trousers. And then because of the way Pinterest works, I then kept seeing crocheted outfits. I decided, for some god knows reason, to make a jumpsuit. Actually, this wasn't even my idea, this was Danny's, so if it all goes horribly wrong then it's his fault. I've run out of yarn. This is the colour that they didn't have in stock, so I'm gonna have to cry. Hello there! We now interrupt our scheduled broadcast to attempt some basic mathematics. So here we are, and I am ever so slightly nervous. These are the squares I've done so far, and I forgot to count them before I started recording. And this is all the yarn I have left. This is it.
Wow.
So I'm not entirely convinced I am going to have enough yarn to complete it. So all I'm going to do is measure how wide my hips are, measure the width of an individual square, and just pray and hope that an even number of squares goes round my hips perfectly. Wait, what? Does that mean I'm going to need 160 just for the trousers? How many down is... Oh my god! 20 days and I've done one trouser leg. Oh my god, I'm going to have to buy so much more yarn. God. What are the multiples of 7? 7, 14, 21. So 28 divided by 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. 4. It's another 28. What's the first 28 for? 16, take away 4 is 12. 4 times 12, why can't I do that? 208. Bloody hell. Oh my god, this is going to be so much more expensive than I thought. It is my birthday today and I will be crocheting all day, but my friend sent me this like stitch counter that you put on your fingers, and which will be very useful. Woo! It's like Ratatouille. So I've done my 272 squares, which is the rough maths that I'm hoping is correct. Actually, I should probably check that I do actually have the right amount. Right, I think I'm gonna start laying it out, I guess. Ooh! I mean, we can see it all, but I can't really move all that much. Ugh. I really like this one. I'm going to put this one in the middle somewhere. Oh my god, there's so much blue. Blue! This is starting to annoy me. These are exactly the same and I've just put them next to each other. Oh my Christ. Oh my God, where did you come from? I'm getting rather frustrated. Who'd have thunk it? There's hair everywhere. There is definitely gonna be at least one of these that I've definitely missed. Oh, like this one. I've got about 124 squares left. Times that by 4.5 minutes. 37 hours. Have I still got 37 hours left? I don't know what I'm doing. I can feel this is going to be a very warm outfit. It has been such a long old time since I started this project. 7 months since I filmed the start of this video, so a whole other lifetime away. You can see I've changed quite a bit. Yeah, it took a lot longer than I anticipated, obviously, but it is finally done and I'm so pleased. However, I do wish I finished it slightly sooner because I had to go outside in winter wearing this and it was bloody freezing, but it is my own fault, so you live and you learn. I am quite happy with it. I'm pleased that I did start it and did finish it, obviously. I learned a lot. I managed to not have any mental breakdowns over this, or any serious ones at least, and it looks really cool. It's not the most flattering, however I am wearing what is essentially a grandmother's blanket as an outfit, so there's only so much you can ask for, really. A couple of things that annoy me about this. I feel like these are slightly in the wrong position. I do like the little triangles, I think, just so they're not so much in my armpits, but that's just a minor thing. The darts I don't love. I had to cut into squares, which I didn't want to initially. This one's a little bit pokey and it's not completely even, so is the one at the back. But the major thing, and one of the main reasons I can't wear it out, is because it doesn't have any pockets. I don't know why I didn't make pockets into this. So all my pairs of trousers, skirts, whatever, I don't wear them because they don't have any pockets, so they're just sitting getting eaten by moths. By the way, I do really want to wear this, but I can't really. I can't do it up. Oh. So if I do wear this out, I can't physically put it back on again. I can't use the toilet without someone coming in there with me to help me put this back on afterwards, so that would be great. So yeah, it looks great, not very wearable. In total, I ended up crocheting 300 individual squares in this sunburst granny square pattern. A lot more than I initially planned. I completely failed that maths several times. I did end up hacking into it quite a lot afterwards to make it fit me better. I removed rows and individual squares from various places to make it fit. So yeah, all in all, I am happy. I am proud that I made it. Every single stitch on this, and you know, I learned quite a lot on the way. I can crochet stuff now. On to the next big project, I think. I don't know what that's going to be, but hey ho, it's done. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you've got an exciting project on the way as well.